Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Tab G6 Max, and let me share with you how to manage and how to customize the night light or a comfort mode. So let's start with the customization. We need to open the settings, and in the settings let's scroll and find the display. Then scroll down again and localize the night light, and before the customization we can simply turn it on by tapping on the switcher, and you can see that the screen turns a little bit yellowish or amber. It's in order to filter the blue light. What's more, it will be much easier for you to look at the screen at the dim light, so if you're a night owl, then I highly recommend to use this mode. So let's tap on the night light. At the very bottom we've got the intensity switcher. As you can see, it is set on the lowest option, so the less intensive. By going to the right we can make it warmer, however the difference is not really that huge. We can schedule that feature. So the none option is manual option. You need to manually turn it on and off. You can turn it on at custom time, so you can freely choose the start and the end time, and your device will apply the mode accordingly. Or you can turn it on from sunset to sunrise, and here your device will automatically decide when the sunsets and sunrises are. It is location based. So this is how it works. This is the whole customization, and if you wish to have much faster access to it, simply unroll the upper panel. And here let's localize the night light, which is right here. So just tap on it to turn it on and tap on it again to turn it off. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.